I get it why people are so obsessed with glass skin, and results don't lie. If you asked me this last year, I had no idea what you put for a glass skin. After traveling to Korea last year, everything changed about my skin. I have discovered so many Korean products that a lot of us in the US don't know about. They're underrated and they're affordable. They're so good for your skin. I'm using random products and the best products that I could find from Korea, and it doesn't have to go on order. You can also find them on Amazon. Someone who never gets acne and then suddenly you have baby acne, you have pimple, you have bumpy skin. My skin is going through a culture shock for sure. The best solution I found is this drying powder and hyaluronic acid serum. This serum is a lightweight and the fast absorbing formula prevents acne by controlling excess oil with micropantothenic acid, aka vitamin B5, and while the hyaluronic acid provides deep, long-lasting hydration. It is suitable for all skin types, including sensitive and acne prone, and it's non-comedogenic and ideal for daily use. For the better result, I paired this with number 1 pantothenic acid drying powder. Look at my skin, it feels so hydrated. At the same time, look at the powder, what it did to my skin. It took all the shine and grease and sucked it out of my face. You know, having dry skin can cause fine lines and deep wrinkles. This is why Korean women, they're going after glass skin to look younger forever. To keep up with my skin supply, I never miss on Amazon's Black Friday sale from November 20th to December 2nd. That's when the biggest sale of the year happens. On my shopping list, I have this newly launched ampoule for under $35. I am definitely stocking on this because it has a powerful formula and it gives you a 24-hour bouncy, glowy, glass-like skin with non-sticky, dewy finish. It is enriched with propolis and it nourishes and revitalizes, leaving your skin healthy and radiant. The baby propolis complex suits sensitive, irritated skin, while intense hydration deeply moisturizes after just one use. One of the first products that has 12 types of hyaluronic acid in one bottle. Let me just show you on my skin first. Apply 5 to 6 pumps all over your face, neck, hands. Massage it until it's absorbed onto your skin. The moisturizer has a unique collagen flax complex with a vegan collagen and peptides to boost the skin elasticity and protect against UV damage. Believe it or not, it has 12 types of hyaluronic acid. It deeply hydrates and locks in the moisture for firm and plump skin. You can use your hands or you can use your facial device and then rinse it off or wipe it off. It feels like I have a new layer of skin on my skin. For better result, you can leave it overnight and wash it the next morning. That looks like baby warm inside this bottle. That's actually a fiber that melts onto the skin. This product has a lightweight, silky texture that leaves no greasy residue. Clinical test in Korea shows it improves skin firmness and reduces pore size within 2 weeks. It's formulated with patent extracts and there is 37 years of skincare expertise behind this product. The unique melting fiber lifting technology dissolves peptide fibers into the skin, boosting absorption and lifting effect. It's designed as an easy at-home lifting solution. It's like you have access to a professional level with this ample serum. As a brown girl, I have always struggled with uneven skin tone. Something that I have recently found is helping my skin is the overnight peeling sleep pack. Is a gentle leave-on exfoliator that I apply this as last step of my skincare routine once or twice a week. Simply I apply a thin layer and then wash it in the morning with warm water. With a balance of AHA, BHA, and PHA blend at a skin-friendly pH 3 to 4 times. It is safe for all skin type and it helps to fade dark spots and pigmentation over time. You can also use this on your elbow, body acne, and anywhere with uneven tone. Plus, it's packed with niacinamide, maca root, and edelweiss extract for hydration and nourishment, giving you a brighter, smoother skin overnight. I struggle through the winter. I'm not kidding with you guys. I get the flaky skin, the dry skin, the bumpy skin, the super dry skin. This was my skin last week, and this is my skin this week. It took only one product for me to gain this plump and hydrated skin. The Abby Barrier Jelly Overnight Mask with a rice ingredient that has been a game changer for my skin this winter. It's like a jelly slime, thick texture. It strengthens the skin barrier, deeply nourishes, soothes irritation, and provides lasting hydration. So the key ingredients include Abby Rice brand probiotics, which combines rice bran extract and probiotics to protect the skin barrier and improve texture while you're sleeping. Another key ingredient is lactobacillus, a probiotic that also strengthens the barrier and smooths the skin. It's an overnight type of a mask and it dries out really fast. So basically, you're gonna wake up with a soft, smooth, and beautiful skin in the morning. This Jamaica black castor oil works amazing for both skin and hair. I have used castor oil all my life, so I know which one is amazing and which one is not. This is perfect for a skin elasticity. It helps to firm the skin, reduce the look of stretch marks and scars. Just use a small amount every day. You'll see the difference. It hydrates deeply, leaving the skin soft and smooth all day, while also smoothing fine lines to keep the skin youthful. I also massage my scalp with this. It makes me feel good and calm. I'll leave the link below. Check it out. Most of my Korean products come straight from Korea because I traveled to Korea that, but I'll try my best to put links down in the description, either directly from their websites or from Amazon. Whatever I can find, I'll tag it in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys loved this video as much as I did, and if you did, give your girl a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe because I post every week, Saturday, Sundays, amazing skincare and makeup videos. And click the bell icon so we can stay in touch. I love you guys like always. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.